So what's one thing you would have did differently to get you where you are a lot faster if you could do it all over again?
It might sound harsh, man, but I
Mm-hmm.
mean, I probably would have taken a lot less bullshit. I
Mm-hmm.
probably would have put more of the right people in the right seats. You know, I tend to want to give people chances more so than they deserve.
Mm-hmm.
I probably would have paid more attention to, yeah, getting the right people in the right seats. Um, Instead of trusting, I'm a big advocate of friends and family, and I'll do a lot for friends and family. But it really, really, really have to be careful with, onboarding the right people or certain people in certain
Mm-hmm.
positions that they're really not capable of doing. So it'd be more so of truly interviewing and assigning people to certain roles that should be in that role rather than someone that's a friend or someone that you trust with your kids, but they're really not capable of doing what it is that you're assigning them to do.
Hmm.
So I think if I would have paid a lot closer attention to that early on, I think I could have probably done even more in a short period of time than I've done.
Wow.